Brought to you by War Machines.
Hey, Adam Steele here, and I am standing with what we have come to call the Quad Father. This thing is a effing beast. So not only is obviously it has a little bit of a large footprint, I'm working on that, but I wanted to create something that just didn't exist anywhere else. A couple companies like New Tech have tried to do it with their little pivoting hack squat, and if that doesn't just rock the crap out of your lower back, SI, knees, hips, and everything else. 32-degree pivot, and so with the swing arms and stuff, it allows you to have like an increased overload on the weight as you climb. And what they've come up with is what I would say doesn't hit, because when I went to demo it at the Olympia, and their sales rep was telling me that I shouldn't buy it because I'll hate it, and then I try it, and they were right. So this actually I made, I think, before they ever came out with it, but it was a dynamic concept where it doesn't just drop your rear end, it puts you into a perfect brace versus a pendulum that swings you behind the platform so your feet are still out in front of you. This gives you the simulation, or not a simulation, the actual puts you in the body position of standing straight up while you're at an angle, and as you come down, it gives you into a perfect squat position. Let me demonstrate, you guys. It's got a locking handle on the side. I loaded the weight on the horns in the back. It's got a nice corrugated platform here. And so it's very easy, just like a pendulum. You come in, you find your foot position. Now your first inclination, naturally with a pendulum style machine is that you're gonna want your legs out in front of you because you come down and that's where you kind of sit. This one, what's important about this tutorial is that it's kind of the opposite. So you're gonna wanna bring your legs more below you, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly why and why this thing is so awesome. And so handles right here, locking handle here. As I lift, it falls away, so I'm clear. And as you can see, my body, I'm in a more like parallel, like upright position. I don't have my feet way out in front of me like this, like you would on a... So let me demonstrate what happens. So as I come down, it pivots back, and it puts me into, like, you see my knees go straight down, but it did not go forward. My back's against the pad, and if the weight is being caught, and then I push straight out, and just crazy engagement right here. So you can, it's so wide and comfortable. That's why I wanted to really overbuild this, because it is just such a dynamic platform. You can go wide. If you're 6'5" and you're 320 pounds strongman, or we have some of our powerlifter guys, they can get in this and run it super great. If you're only 5'1" and you still get in here and it pivots really good for you, it feels great on the lower back. No forward pressure on my patella, MCL, ACL, nothing on my hips or shoulders, like just loading the weight, coming down, and then pushing out of it. And then when you're ready, you just lift up and the hook catches, just like that. Super easy. Then you slide down and you're good. That's pretty much it. You can do it one-legged, you can go wide, you can go lower or higher, but honestly, it's just a straight upright press. It's super sweet. The pivot is monumental, and the position it puts your body in is next level. Like, without feeling this, you won't believe it. So definitely check it out. Like and subscribe. If you get a chance to use it in any of our 3 locations, San Diego, San Antonio, Texas, and Las Vegas, Nevada, you guys definitely let me know what you think. This thing is, it's gonna change the world. Anyway, I'm Adam Steele with the War Machines, and I'll see you back here on the next one.
Brought to you by Warhouse Gym and War Machines.